It's 9:32. That means they're blocking me. Second time. You see the number? That is the correct number. You hear that noise? Oh, you don't. Yes. My kids are ready to go to bed. You know why they can't? Because they're pounding the freaking floor, our ceiling, constantly. Now, could you go to sleep while this is going on? No. Neither can they. Does anyone sleep around here? No. They haven't in months. Now, this is not right. This is not fair. Something should have been done a long time ago about this, and I shouldn't have to call you repeatedly about the same situation which you refuse to take care of or flat out ignore my calls. Either way, this is one-sided security, lack of security, and I would like this taken care of because a person shouldn't have to deal with this on a 24-hour basis, which I do, which I can prove, which I have proven, and yet nothing has been done about it. Thank you.